In this video, I will show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter which named as X now. It is quick and easy, let's start. We can't turn it off through X app, we must do it on website. So let's open up Safari or any one of the internet browser. Then type x.com on address bar and browse it. If you are first time to access via browser, then you will need to enter your username and password for account login. Once logged in, click the profile button. Select Setting and Privacy. Then select Privacy and Safety. Choose Content you see. There is option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content, uncheck it. Then click on Search Setting. You will see the option called Hide Sensitive Content, check the box. Alright, we are done. Try to force close the X app and rerun it. This purpose to make sure the app was getting the latest configuration from X server. If sensitive content still appearing, try to restart your phone. Okay, this is how you turn off the sensitive content on Twitter. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this. I see you the next video.